All right, so I'm going to be creating a website, real quick website, and see how far I can get in 10 minutes. So let's start. So first thing I want to do is we're going to use React. So I want to use this little script, npx create React app, and then call it Dan's site. I spelled site wrong. Okay. And then, so you need to have React and npm installed to run the script. And unrolling my sleeves as if like I'm about to do some dirty work in here, even though it's not that dirty. But this will take like, I don't know, 30 seconds, a minute. And then by that time, we should be able to run it and start it. And yeah. I guess while it's going, I can detail like the plans for what I have for this quick little website. So I kind of want to make like a, I don't know, like most people want a website for themselves. So like that has their name on it. It's kind of like a resume, kind of their projects and stuff like that. Maybe about me section. Maybe like something that makes them unique. So yeah, I want to have all that stuff like in a React app, so it's smooth, and then eventually I want to have it hosted using AWS. I might have a different videos for the hosting part. But for this part, I just want to make it locally hosted with all the about me stuff. Maybe have like some projects on there, like where I went to school, who am I, why am I here. Okay, I think it's almost done. Okay. Oh, installing. Okay, never mind. I guess another thing I can talk about is why I'm creating a website now. And it's because maybe one day in the future I'll do this again, but like see how much I improve, you know? Because everybody likes improvement. I do. Wow, I didn't realize this would take so long. Happy hacking. Okay, let's go. So we have Dan's site there. Okay, we can do, it has all the stuff here. Let me look at all the files. So it has the package.json. And in that, you have the start. So npm start. And that should run the development server. So let me drag that over. Why am I? Okay, well, oh, there it is. Okay. Development server, here it is. It's working. But now we want to, I guess, do something with it. So let's go with app.js. So we don't need any of this really. We just want to have a cool app. So maybe one thing we want to have is maybe we'll just keep the header part. You just say how to say my name, Daniel Clark. Have that in HTML, and then we'll see what that looks like. So when I press save, it should work. Daniel Clark, there it is. Okay. So maybe we don't want to have that in the middle, or maybe we do. So maybe we want to have some CSS as well. Oh, here it is, app.css. So let's go into this app.css, and where's that at? Oh, here it is. And it has all the pre-made CSSs and stuff like that. But maybe you just want to change that, change the CSS for the app in the app header. So text line center, that's fine. App header. Maybe we want to make this a bigger height, a bigger font size. So let's say large. What is large going to look like? I honestly don't know what large will look like. It didn't change anything. Okay. Font size, let's say 100 pixels. Is that a thing? Wow, logo is a environment never used. Okay. Ah, here it is. Daniel Clark. There we go. There's my website. All right, that's it. No. That's fine. So now maybe we want to do some more. Let's maybe make an A tag or something like that. And maybe we can make an about me. part of the website. And let's see what happens with that. Oh. So now you might be able to see that About Me is way down here. It's very small as well. So maybe we want to make it a little bit bigger as well. Or maybe we make it as header as well in a header tag. Yeah, let's try that. We make it basically the same height. That didn't work. Okay. It didn't actually change anything. I don't actually know what header does here. The header is, oh, that's just a header. Okay, that's just a normal HTML element. Okay, okay, let's stick to the A tag then. And then let's make a class name for this. Let's call it, here, let's try app header as well. Because why not? So we don't have to make any more changes to the CSS. There we go. About Me, Daniel Clark, About Me. And then maybe I'll want to have some text underneath that as well. So here, we'll make a, oh, I actually don't know when I started. We'll do a guesstimate to see how long this will take. So we'll put the About Me in a div, and then I am not doing this very quickly. We'll make like a, I don't know, make another div here, and we'll say I am a software engineer. Then we'll have maybe this A become an onClick is equal to, let's say, we can maybe make a function like trigger change form or something. Maybe we want to, oh. So let's make that function. Const change form is equal to parentheses, an arrow notation. So right now we're just going to return null because we don't want it to error out. But right now our website is looking like we have Daniel Clark, we have an About Me, and then down here is I am a software engineer. Okay, that's obviously not a very good About Me, but so instead of this being app header, we could maybe put this in the div, like up here, and try that. There we go. So this is a little bit better. We have Daniel Clark, About Me, I'm a software engineer. That's not terrible. We probably need to make this text a little bit smaller. So let's try that. So class name is so right now the onClick isn't doing anything, but actually let's see. Console.log, it works. I know console logs are not very what did I do? Oh, I was doing like too many different things at once. So we'll get to that console log in a sec. So we want to check to see, oh yeah, we wanted to make this text smaller. So About Me text. We'll just put that there. And then we'll copy this. And then we'll make some kind of CSS for that. Maybe like, what is the header text? App header? Okay. So maybe we just want to copy this. Excuse me. And put it in here. And then maybe say it's 50 pickles. 50 pickles. So I'll show you what it'll look like now. So we have Daniel Clark, about me, I'm a software engineer. So right now there's a bunch of, actually I'll show you. So there's a lot of space right here that we don't really want. We don't want to, because we want to scroll here, and then we want to have about me here maybe, and then a little bit below it we'll have I'm a software engineer, or we'll have a bunch of like text. So you can click here to see that there's a lot of space here, so we'll try to remove that. So maybe we'll say font size, min height. Let's just say this is 50 instead of 100. Let's see how that changes. There we go. This is a little bit better. We have Daniel Clark, about me, I'm a software engineer, and then yeah, we can probably get make this a list instead of just yeah, we can make it a list. Nah, that's fine for now. So now we wanted to check the change form thing. I mean, I don't know why we're having an onClick for this actually, but just for the sake of sakes, let's try it. So if I click this, hey, what do we see? It works. So every time I click this, it'll trigger that function again, and we'll get it to work. I don't know. Okay. So now, what else do we want to do? So what else do websites have? They have about me's, maybe they have projects as well. So at this point, it'll be really easy just to like copy this code. So maybe call this project. So maybe some projects I have. We can have the same change form thing. So maybe a project you might have is something like curing cancer. That was the project. And then if we go to the page, there we go. Daniel Clark, about me, projects, cured cancer. There we go. This is a pretty good website. Okay. All right. I think that should have been like around 10 minutes or so. But anyways, I think this is fun for now. This was fun. But maybe we'll get into more a different time or try again later. But thanks for watching this little very quick website tutorial or video. Anyways, see ya.